Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda.
Sesame Street Baker Cookie Maker by Linda Hayward. Cookie Monster Cookie Eater mixes batter with his beater, drops the dough onto the sheet, bakes the cookies good to eat. He puts the cookies on a plate, takes a cookie. Oops, too late. Baker, cookie maker, here comes a hungry cookie taker. Cookies, monster treat, some for munchers, some for crunchers. None for the baker on Sesame Street. Cookie Monster cookie cutter makes a batch with peanut butter. Cuts the cookies out of dough, puts them on the plate. Oh no! Baker, cookie maker, here comes another cookie taker. Cookies, monster treat, some for hikers, some for bikers. None for the baker on Sesame Street. Cookie Monster, Cookie Master makes more cookies even faster. He pats the cookies nice and flat, bakes them, look at that. Baker, cookie maker, here comes some more cookie takers. Cookies, monster treat, some for hoppers, some for moppers. And one for the baker on Sesame Street.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.